here. We will have a war with French. Duke of Albany and I are preparing for the war. We will keep the line of communication open between us.
Because I didn't want to watch while you brought out his poor old eye with your cruel fingernails. I will see God punish you for your not respect your father.
The traitor Gloucester has been caught for betraying the Britain, but the kindness of Duke of Cornwall drives him not to kill Gloucester. However, the Gloucester insults Duke instead of showing gratefulness. Now let's connect to our reporter. Hi everyone, this is the live report in the castle of the Duke. Now I'm going to interview the Duke of Cornwall and Princess Regan. Hi Myro, are you okay?
Well, I'm not fine right now. You can see I'm bleeding. One of my servants has attacked me. I think that servant has been betrayed by Gloucester's action. Gloucester, I have punished him for his treatment of our country. He has betrayed myself. He doesn't follow my order. He is a traitor in our nation.
Okay, thank you. And how did you know the Gloucester betrayed our country?
Well, the bastard Edmund, the Lord of Gloucester, he placed the country, the nation above his family. It's him who informed us the crime of his father. He is very loyalty to us.
I'm proud of the Lord Gloucester. Myro, what's your next step?
Well, as you know, the French army is coming. They're going to attack us. So we need to unite together. So we have to unite with the Lord of Cornwall. We decide to open our communication and we will fight against the French army together. I believe we will win in the battlefield.
I believe too. Thank you for your time. Farewell, Myro. Okay, thank you, our live reporter. Now I will show you a letter from Princess Cornwall. In this letter, Princess Cornwall says she is very angry and she thinks the Gloucester should be sentenced to death. So let's turn to the traitor Gloucester and ask him what he is thinking now. Hi, traitor Gloucester. What's your feeling now? Can we see your phone?
My fault? Ha! What a foolish man I was before. They told me that Edmund had always hated me. It's him who revealed them that I helped the King Lear. He is the one who revealed my treason. I am so regretful right now. I have mistreated my own son. Oh God, forgive me for what I have done before. Oh, I hope my son is well. Although they take away my eyes, but I can see the world better than before. I see what a man the bastard Edmund is. How can he treat his father like this? I'm his own father. And those laws, especially Regan, our King Lear, is her own father. How can she treat her father like this? Our kingdom is...
Okay, the traitor seems to begin to play crazy.
I'm not crazy! I'm not crazy!
Okay, thank you
I'm
very
not
much,
crazy!
Gloucester. Right, goodbye. Let's see you next time. Oh, who can believe such a traitor has a noble son? However, actually, he has. And now, let's interview the noble Edmund Gloucester. Okay, thank you, our live reporter. Unfortunately, I succeeded in inviting the Lord Gloucester. Okay, let's welcome the Edmund Gloucester. Hi, Your Highness. Rose Ghoster, why did you report your father's crime?
I tell you one thing. He is not my father anymore. The nation is more important to me than my family.
Okay, thank you. As we all know, the war between Britain and France is coming. I want to know what's your opinion.
I believe with the leading of the Vice Duke of Cornwall, we will win this war.
Okay, thank you. Let's see you next time.